Where's your gun?
He was carrying around a...
Will you share with me, Justin?
Good
Because,
job.
Yeah.
my camera just quit working.
On your phone?
Yeah.
It's not working right. I don't know what it is. Picture on it.
You want my phone?
To you, trick or treat. I mean, it's in the house. I gotta go get it.
Justin, but it just all of a sudden it's like the color is just pink and purple and green. It's psychedelic. Weird.
I just wanted to wait for her to walk away. I didn't know if it was supposed to be... That's what I'm doing now.
I mean, it was working yesterday when I took pictures of the kids in their Indian stuff. Spider-Man doesn't talk.
I like Nana's shirt.
Nana texted me back and she said, that would be me going to Walmart like that.
I told Talisha, I said, I've only done that once.
Show Alicia Brantley, show her your costume.
She
got a sword.
Do you want 3 pieces of candy?
Look at Uncle Jay.
Look at Uncle Jay and let him take your picture first. Look at Uncle Jay.
All right.
Good job.
Did you put it in your pocket? You want to put it in your pocket?
Put it
You
right
can't see his smile in there.
Say cheese.
Look at Uncle Jay.
Can't really buy an Indian costume. Mom says, well,
That was so
what's up now?
Did you hear him, honey? You can't see his smile in there. He's smiling.
Ready?
Whoa.
Whoa, whoa.
Jay said, give me that money.
All
I
right.
don't know. Some of the special ninja warriors. Oh.
Brantley, you gotta say trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
That road, boy.
I love that. What?
Where's your Indian feathers, man?
What?
Where's your Indian feathers?
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Let me see that.
Yes. Thank you.
Layton! Congratulations! You always wanted to be a big sister. All right.